What is up, everybody? Welcome to the, I don't know if this is the 6th or the 5th campfire video. I guess it's the 6th. Today we are going to be just doing research. To the, I don't know if it's just going to be researching campfire video. I guess it's the 6th. Today we are going to be sorry, I'm just getting the stream set up here. We're just going to be researching SSDs, basically the difference between two SSDs, to see which one we want to buy. I don't expect it to be very long. Maybe we'll talk about some other stuff after that. But what am I looking at here? I'm looking at two SSDs. One is, I wonder if there's SSD compare. Let's do that. SSD compare. I wonder if they'll have it. Let's do Western Digital. Maybe I should do it here. WD. I feel like I've had Western Digital before. And then we'll do SD, AQN, TX. That didn't work. Clearly. So I'm gonna try that again. We'll do I don't really know how to search on this. I guess first I'm gonna see what's compatible. I'm gonna make sure this is compatible, I guess. Let's do storage. It's weird working in this form factor in stock. Storage. Choose storage. We'll do SDQNX. Not popping up. Western Digital NVMe. All these are SN. M2 form factor, PCIe 4x4. Huh. Alright, let's bring up eBay. I'll just show you the ones I'm actually looking at. This is one of them. SDAQNX. Was I just typing that in wrong? Was I? Odd. Okay. Guess I wasn't typing it in wrong. So it's between this one and we'll go Samsung. Where's this one? Well, here's another one. I like that one. Is that one OBO too? So what's the difference between these two? Let's look at specs, since there's no SSD compare. Specs for Western Digital SDA. This is not. Oops, that's not. Did I even click specs? Ugh. What are the sources here? It's like server tech supply. Okay. That's something. Specs on why like this is just, it's wild to me that this stuff isn't more obvious. Specs on, let's do this one. Could have copy and pasted. Wow, my brain's moving slow. I was hot to trot and then I was getting ready for the stream. Trying to make a thumbnail and having problems. Wild Mon. This is like the quietest, most quiet stream I've ever had. Alright, so the Samsung is faster. Tom's Hardware. Show me some power consumption. Are those pins the same as the Western Digital one? I'm trying to figure out if it's compatible with my computer. Like, it looks the same to me. This one's read-write speeds were like slower. It's like half the speed. I like wonder what the trade-offs are, or is it just like one's better? Alright, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to offer, so I should offer 80 plus. I think I'm just gonna get the better one. I'm not gonna think about the money very much, I don't think. But let's see, maybe I will. My offer for on the Samsung one, I have an offer in for 66 that got denied on eBay, so let's look at another Samsung 2 terabyte VMe. This one has with heatsink. It's sponsored. I don't look at any of the sponsored stuff. Okay, let's do. I'm basically just I'm just running across. So basically, I'll do different offers. Let's do 66. Okay, that offer was sent. That offer went through. That's great. Okay. So I offered 66 on something that's like 92 plus $5 shipping. On another one I offered what did I offer? I offered, so this is where is it? So this one is the one I just put in. Well, I don't know if that's the one I put in an offer on. There's one that was $100 that I put in an offer on. But basically the idea is like, if this one's read and write speeds are really twice, like I don't know the difference, what else, what the difference is. If you guys know, let me know. Or if you know a site, because the part picker one I was having trouble with, or not part picker, but SSD compare, wherever that is. Maybe it's over here. Yeah, I don't know what I did with that. So yeah, I don't really know how to compare SSDs very well if they're not on that thing. So the Western Digital one is cheaper, but the read and write speeds are half the speed, which I think is going to matter. It's going to make a difference for my use case long run. Most of the time I would usually get the less good thing for cheaper, because in terms of just getting a minimum viable product sort of working, the minimum viable tech. Where did it say the read speed? Yeah, so Samsung is read speed of up to 7,000, write speed of up to 5,000. Sequential read and write speeds. I'm just trying to see the difference in these two, and I don't really see an easy way to compare, and I wish there was just better data on that. I think there could be. Could write it all down. I'm kind of tempted to, but I did just make an offer, so on the one that I think's better. But we can learn what's the difference between sequential read and write, and what's this other one say? Oh, they both say that. Sequential read speeds of up to 30 and sequential write speed. Sequential read speed. Okay. Yeah, no, it's the same. So this one has potentially twice as fast read speeds and 5/3 as fast write speeds, which seems really significant to me. And I don't know if that means that it's going to be hotter. Oh, I also just realized NVMe heat sink adhesive. I need some of this stuff, because if you followed the series that I did, it's on a playlist. What's it called? Starter CAD PC, that series. Like, you'll know that I got a used motherboard and it didn't have the tape. That it didn't have, what am I looking for? What's it called? Didn't I just type that in? Let's kill these. Remove them. I should probably. Yeah, what happened to that? Heat sink tape. Heat sink tape for Corsair RM 750X. That's not what a quick horse. Wow, it shows how tired I am. Heatsink tape for Asus Tough Gaming B550 plus Wi-Fi. It's wild, like when you build your own computer, you just remember your your specs. I don't remember my specs. I don't remember all the names of things for things I haven't built. Thermal pad. Thermal pad for NVMe. $11 for 2 thermal pads. It's kind of a lot. 20 by 70 by 1. That seems like so much. Plus like 20 millimeters. Ugh, this is such a headache. I should have been on one with a heat sink. 20 millimeters seems small to me. Isn't 20 millimeters like 2 centimeters? How many centimeters is 20 millimeters? Ah, yeah, it's 2 centimeters. What? Like, I don't want... This is super small. Oh, it's 20 by 70. Ah, okay. 70 is 7. That's a little bigger. That seems like... I thought mine was more like 10. I'm looking at my computer now. Yeah, I want one that's like... What is that? I don't know. I guess that'll work. I want to look at another one. Let's see what else is out there. Thermal. Wow, these are not cheap. Wild. This is like, I feel like people like order the motherboard. If they need one of these, they'll order a motherboard. They'll take the thermal pad and then they'll return the motherboard. That's like, this just sucks. It just sucks. Okay. Guess we're gonna pay $7 for this. Is it shipping? I'm being whiny. I don't actually need to. I only need one, but on with the PC building, I suppose. Or are they specific? Thermal pad for... What did I... Oh, no. I want to cancel this. Oh, wait, no, okay. Like, I don't even know if I ordered this one. I gotta make sure that I sent in the right offers. Okay. Just making sure I didn't offer on some no-name thing. And... let's do... What's the difference between PCIe 4 and PCIe 3? Is that a thing? Okay. Is this compatible with this? Samsung 980 Pro? Uh-oh. Cool, it's compatible. It looks compatible. Samsung 980 Pro. 2 terabyte. There's not a 2 terabyte thing with heatsink, or there's just, oh, that's it. Cache 2 gigs. Form factor M2 to PCIe 4. Okay. I'm doing some shopping here on, additional M2 slots needed. PCIe 5 is a thing. Ooh, now I want to know. What's the difference between PCIe 4 and PCIe 5? Wow. I want to see if I'm compatible with PCIe 5. I guess I was. Right? It's not compatible. Alright, well, what did I get? What did I bid on? PCIe 4. Okay, so I'm looking for PCIe 4. And PCIe 4 heatsink. Thermal pad for PCIe 4 and NVMe. That ad is really, it's good. Okay, I think I'm gonna get this one because it's the cheapest and I don't know the difference. This one actually looks this one looks like the one more like maybe it's just the packaging. Layered. Let's do this. Why not? Best brands for thermal pads. This is this is kind of annoying because this stuff actually might matter. My SSD gets too hot and then it dies. It's no good. I think I'm just gonna get one though, cause I'm over it. Well, it seems if I pay an extra $1, I can get 2 more, which I like the idea of. None of these have brands, man. When will material science get to the point where thermal pads matter? That is the question. That is the question. Yeah, I'm going to get 4 of them. Because I can't tell the difference. I just want to get the layered ones because they look familiar, but this is fine. Man. CAD starter PC. Boo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Okay, quietest stream ever? Is that true? Feels that way. See y'all in the next one. Peace.